Another gloomy morning to you on the 6th day of December, and that's day 6 of December Daily. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I thought this would be the perfect page to make it look like a package. And so I'm going to cut some strips of this to be a ribbon going this way and this way, and then I'm going to put a little tag on it with I don't know, some kind of little string or something, or maybe I'll just go ahead and put a brad on there. And then I'm thinking maybe I will try to cut out a poinsettia for the bow. And I got this idea from Nicole of Relax Cut Glue. She did this in one of her glue books, her Christmas glue books. So I'm going to get my strips cut, and I don't want them to be too thick because the page is pretty small, and I'd rather never do anything with big pages like this, so cutting off the edges is not going to be a big deal. I don't care if I have that sign, "Meet me under the mistletoe." It's not important to me. I'm just going to cut off some of the sides here, or maybe just, well, this one's bent, so let's cut this one off. And yeah, and I'm going to cut them down even slimmer than this though. But so let's get an idea of what we're going to do. It's going to be like this. Of course, this will be thinner. I think they need to be about half the size of these. So we'll do that, and yeah, I'll do that, and we'll come back and put everything all together. Alright, I believe I have everything I need, so I'm just going to measure where to cut my little ribbons off. We have that. I think I can just go ahead and use scissors. It's not that big of a cut to make straight. And then this one, which way do I want it? Maybe this way. And that will cut off right there. Glue those on. Yes, not every day, unfortunately, is an exciting adventure with children or grandchildren. So sometimes I'm just going to have to come up with something else. You know, not every day also is doing anything special. Pretty soon they're going to have the lights on in the park, and we could take some pictures of that. And this is going to go this way. I'm just going to eyeball where the middle is. Oh, that's not the one I cut. This is. And I think I'll go ahead and put this up higher because this is going to be hanging down. And would you believe I found one last full poinsettia to cut out of the paper. That was all there was left. I had to dig around for it too, so I was getting nervous about whether I was going to even have one at all after I said I was, but I'm sure I could have come up with something else. Let's go ahead and put that right there. And I've got this red and white twine that I'm going to use for the tag, and I have a cute little red button brad that I can put right in the middle of the flower to hang the tag on. And I have a red number 6 for the date. So first thing I'm going to do is get this tag, the string on the tag. And I don't actually want it very long or very short, so let's see. Normally I put them in like this and then they're open on the top, but I'm gonna have to tie a knot, I guess. So let's go ahead and do it from this side. I hope you guys are all having better weather than we have been having. The weather has just been so depressing here. Dreary, not too cold, thank goodness, but very dreary. No, well, we had one day of about 3 inches of snow, and that was it. I think that might be too long even. I'm going to make the knot a little bit farther up here. Will it work? No. I'm going to have to finagle it. I made a knot up here. Oh, brother. I need the knot down at the bottom, sort of. There, I think that would work better. Actually, yeah, I'm going to cut this off. It's going to be under the poinsettia anyway, so what I need now is to poke a hole. I don't want it too big. Poke a hole in this. And this time, I'm not putting the brad through the hole. I'm going to be putting it through the string so it hangs. And then I can journal on the back if I want. But, and then I might want to glue this down. I don't know, but I got to poke a hole right here nonetheless. Whatever I decide to do. That's where the brad's got to go. I guess I didn't make the hole big enough. Alright, and then I'll have to come up with, oh, you know why? There's glue stuck on this. I used it to unclog my glue. So unfortunately, my camera malfunctioned there, and I actually even couldn't turn it off. I had to take the battery out to turn it off. I was a little scared it wasn't going to work anymore, but after that it seemed to be fine. So this is what I came up with, and then I can actually turn this over and put a picture there, or, you know, write something there and it'd be kind of like a secret. Decided not to glue the poinsettia down, and because it would look more like a bow, I thought, if it was kind of dimensional. And then I put the red 6 there, and that's it for day 6. I'm so happy you joined me for December Daily, and I hope that your day has been going well and that you're happy and healthy, and we'll see you again for day number 7. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.